Pull your acts together, guys. Tonight we're gonna draw another classic and easy to draw dinosaurs. One of my favorites. Tonight we're gonna draw Basilosaurus, the first ever whale. Basilosaurus got its first appearance on Chased by Dinosaurs, right before walking with prehistoric beasts. I know, right? The first time I saw Basilosaurus was at the was on TV. One time I've mentioned it. I mentioned this guy when I was really young. We once took a field trip to the Whaling Museum, and I got to see an actual Basilosaurus skull. It was right there. Right under this. Right next to the model. Right in the Ancestors exhibition. When they showed off fossils of the actual whale. It's amazing. Can you believe that? I can't believe there's an actual dinosaur fossil right here in Long Island. It's my wish come true. A museum that has an actual dinosaur let's see. Sorry guys, got lost in the thought. What I meant to say was, it's amazing. An actual whaling museum that has dinosaur bones. It's a wish that came true. That's amazing, right? I love it. Whenever Long Island has anything dinosaur related, I just love it. Seriously. Wow. Just wow. Anyway, that is how you draw Basilosaurus, one of my favorite dinosaurs from the Walking With series. That's all for now, guys. Good night!